Valorant, one of the newest game releases this year, exclusive only on PC and might come out soon on console. Maybe. This is Adrian and today I'm playing Valorant on my PC that you already know, that this APU that I'm using. Since I got it way back before than ever, is back for more action. So no further ado, let's play and review Valorant in the Athlon 200ge. You may already know or not that my PC specs is this. The game itself is not highly demanding despite a lot of things going on in action. The default setting is this. Might be on the lower side but doable, meaning acceptable in every way. If you don't mind about graphics, but worried about the gameplay, to tell you the truth, it's not that bad. My first impression of this game that the gameplay is somehow different than the previous games I encountered with similar concept. CSGO is one and League of Legends is two, and this one is a mix of those two like they just have a child, but awesomely designed. The game has two types of mechanics, unrated and spike rush. Unrated is about going on 13 rounds by planting and defending the spike, aka the bomb, depending which team are you on, like the attacker or the defending, plus having money or points to gain guns and skill is one part of the game. Spike rush is focused on selective weapons each round, but the game lasts only in 4 rounds. Incomplete success in addition to your skill is already maxed out. No more buying at this point. Let's talk about one of the characters. I mean the agents. They have different quirks and features that are very special in gameplay. There are 4 types of characters and one is Duelist, Initiator, Sentinels, and last, Controller. Each of the types are unique for use of combat. The Duelists are the ones who pushes in combat, which is equipped for the type of scenario. Think of it as an attacker. Initiator focus on intel and in order to push forward for the attack, which is in short, tracking targets. Sentinels are most likely defenders focused on the backside of the group that lays out some covers and support for the one that less likely go for the offense. And lastly, Controller, which is focused on crowd control damage. They dealt heavy blow to other team and slice up the tide if deployed perfectly in combat. About the map, well, it's okay, but I can't differentiate the changes of those because they are pretty much alike. I guess so. I don't know, but all I know that they have 4 maps named Split, Bind, Haven, Accent. It doesn't matter, as long as the game runs well in my potato PC and potato internet, I'll take it. And note there, I'm 2 Mbps and probably around 5 gigabytes of internet usage. The size of the game, well, it's pretty small to download, right around 3 gigabytes on the website, and installing is right around 8 gigabytes, so no worries if you have a full hard disk due to the files you keep. Because of the study files, this is right for you to have fun. Especially in this situation we are right now. Valorant is free to download in their website, so you can go and visit and sign up. Enjoy Valorant. Link down in the description. About right now, I'm playing pretty alone in this game, so if you want to join in, and feel free, add me in this game. Please subscribe and don't miss to watch my next episode soon. Thank you for watching, and this is Adrian Paul, and I'll see you soon.